Hi, I'm Brian Kenneth Condis. I'm in the studio. We're going to do a sound test. This is the before video. We have some vertical blinds which are old and they believe you can hear it. The street noise comes in. You probably hear some echo. I mean, when I put my headphones on and I listen, I definitely hear echo going on. So what I have here, we're going to remove those vertical blinds. We're going to put these textured panels up. They're blackout, they're thermal, and they're supposed to help with reducing noise. The street noise, the echo noise. Now the recorders that we're using right now are two. First we have the Zoom H2n Handy Recorder. This is set on the XY stereo mode and it records at a 90-degree angle when it's facing front, which is what it is now. Up here, we have the Rode NTG-2 shotgun microphone, and it has an XLR cable that inputs into the Zoom H4N recorder. Now, both of these recorders that are recording right now are recording in stereo 48 kilohertz at 24-bit WAV files. So after I'm done installing these, we'll see how it sounds. I'm back. This is the after video. I have removed those vertical blinds and installed those new drapes. Now, I don't like the way those drapes turned out. They look cheap, they're all wrinkly, and the size on the bottom is fine. You can't really see it, but the size on the top is just, these aren't long enough drapes. But the reason for this video is we're going to test the audio. We're going to find out if you hear echo. Let me see. So is it less echoey? I don't know. If there's less echo, the same echo, street sound. The new drapes that I do plan to get to replace these are going to be longer. They should absorb more sound. I definitely heard the street noise. However, it might be improved. We'll have to compare. Does this sound less echoey or the same?